Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix money on hold PayPal problem. So if someone send you a money or you send money to the someone and your payment is stuck between you and the other person, you send a payment but the other person is not received that money. So this is not the big problem. The problem is that PayPal is need to verify the payment that you are not scamming or other people is not scamming you. So that's why the payment is stuck between you and the other person. So if you are sending payment to someone and this payment is stuck or need verification, simply you have to go to the transaction and select that payment and go to the receive, and you have to confirm that transaction. Once you will confirm that transaction, your payment will be sent to the other person. So this is the solution to this problem. If you are facing this problem, then follow this step. So in this way you can send the payment easily to the other person. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.